Many wonder about how to airdrop to PC from iPhone or iPad. Some believe that it is not possible. Unfortunately, it is not possible to do so directly, but there are some solutions that can help in this aspect. It is up to you to decide which one of them floats your boat the best. Way 1. How to airdrop to PC by iTunes file sharing. Install iTunes on PC. Connect iPhone via USB. Open iTunes. Click iPhone icon ... in Settings. Choose File Sharing. Select Files. Click Save. Pick Save Location. Click Apply. Way 2. How to airdrop to Windows 10 11th via Zender. On your PC, open a browser and go to the official website of Zender. Activate the link that Zender provides. Select and transfer files from your iPhone to your PC. That is all. Way 3. How to airdrop to computer with ShareIt. Scan a QR code to allow iPhone to connect with your PC over the same Wi-Fi network. Select the files that you want to transfer and then let the process complete. Way 4. How to airdrop from iPhone to PC using FileDrop. Download the FileDrop app on your Windows and iPhone. Open it and then select the files that you want to transfer to your computer. Wait for the process to complete. After this, you are good to go. Way 5. Easiest way to airdrop from iPhone to Windows PC. If you want to know how to airdrop photos from iPhone to Windows 10 without hassles, then you should note the Mobikin Assistant for iOS. There are numerous people who use it on a daily basis to transfer different types of files. Steps to follow to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to copy files from iPhone or iPad to PC. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Step 2. Scan your iPhone data. Step 3. Copy iPhone files to PC.